Moving on from watching this video, you should now understand the relationship between fractions and number lines. You will see below that there are 3 links. I should go on the page. So you'll go back on modules. You'll click on fractional timeline activities. And you will see the 3 links right here. And each of these links contains a different activity that you will be completing. Once the 3 activities are then completed, you will then go to modules. Well, actually, I should clarify something. You will get the links by clicking on here and then clicking on here and then just watching the video. So there's 2 fractional games and a song that you'll be watching. So then you'll go back to modules, go to week 3 and click on Flipgrid video responses, and you'll log in with Google, click on your account, and here we go. And you guys have done a Flipgrid post already, so you should know how to do this. So you will be answering the question, which activity did you enjoy the most out of the 3 you completed, and which one helped you become the most successful and why. And after your initial post, you will reply to another student by hitting the reply button on the videos, which you guys already know how to do, and you can say what you liked or disliked about the activity that they chose. So you can see that I already have mine. And then once all this is done, you are finished with this module and you can move on to the last one.